This shade is the only time I like to hear the weather on repeaters. Because it really does matter. Where I come from, people just talk about the weather. It's like going to the barber shop. You know, they got nothing to talk about except for the weather.